So I believe next we have some students that are very excited to play a couple songs for you guys. So we're ready to do this?
First, we're going to introduce Jason Lee. He's going to be performing On This Road.
Something to say, then just go ahead and start.
I got a crappy publishing deal right here if you want to sign it. It's really good. The first thing I was thinking was you were using all these interesting chord changes in the verse, which most new songwriters just kind of copy the same 4-chord progression that every other song has on the radio. So good job pushing the boundaries and gluing it all together. So I no critique other than really good work. Wait,
What I would say, especially with ballads, is I am definitely biased towards songs that are written from the perspective of an I and you. I just think they're stronger. So I love that because it's a lot more inviting. And I would say to you, and this is not critical of songwriting, but in general, it's probably good for you to also work with singers to help you flush out some of the melodic ideas that you have, which you hear in your head, but sometimes it's hard to execute, especially if I'm writing this, let's say you're writing a song for a female artist. So tap into all the talent that's around you to help you craft that, because it may help you to find even more avenues to walk down musically than you can do, seeing as how right now you're doing everything by yourself. But I think you did a great job.
Thank you.
I was thinking that I really liked your voice, especially in the low register. It made me think of like Sam Smith. It's like super soulful. What kind of stuff are you listening to? Are you listening to Sam Smith or something else?
No, I listen to a lot of Billy Joel.
A lot of what?
Billy Joel.
Oh, cool. Well, yeah, there you go. That's great. Makes perfect sense. Yeah, and I think that we could sort of match the lyrics to what, because we're hearing you come back from the auditorium, like your voice, so I was trying to follow along, but, you know, it's a good start lyrically, and, you know, it's got a nice idea to it. Well, it's...
I took the hook instead of the second part verse.
Listen, we all make mistakes.
The song's called This Road, not This Road.
Oh, I don't think any publishers or A&Rs are going to be too worried about that. But, but yeah, really good job though. Awesome.
Thank you.
I think Billy is correct. Writing from personal experience is really the most important as a songwriter. Certainly something I look for, like you, especially as a young person, and you're trying to communicate to other, mostly young people, so you want to really sort of like give a lot of yourself in the song so that folks sort of feel like they can connect to it personally. And I think you've done that. So keep doing it.
A nice round of applause again for Jason. Thank you guys. It was really valuable feedback.